Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 5 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. Still have some allergy issues, so my apologies if I'm all over the place. I'm just trying to rest from both allergies and a little bit of just, I don't know, everything's a little bit wrong the last couple of days. And the stock market's been crazy, right? Anyone paying attention or whatever? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully y'all are doing all right about that. But yeah, let's take a look at today's problem. I'm going to quite a short video just because it's easy, hopefully, and we'll just quite an early night. I need to go to bed. Today we have 1863 sum of all subset XOR totals. The XOR total of an array is defined by the bit of XOR sum of the or XOR of all its elements of 0 if the array is empty. For example, XOR total of array, okay. Given an array nums, return the sum of all XOR totals for every subset of nums. First thing I'm going to look at is just the numbers, right? Since n is 12, well, what is the power set? What is the size of the power set? Well, the size of the power set is actually, well, depends how you mean size, but there are 2 to the n distinct number of groups, each with the size. Excuse me, each with the maximum size group of n, right? So we could do that. So let's do it, right? Yeah, and it's gonna be 2 to the n, but 2 to the 12 is gonna be fast enough. 2 to the 10 is 1,000, so that's like 496 or something, right? 4,096, maybe times n if you will. So you can, so but it'll be within reasonable. So we can definitely do that. So let's do it, right? So here maybe we'll just have a recursive function. I'm really bad with the naming, so that's why I'm like, okay, well, maybe a suffix subset or something, suffix XOR or something. I have index and then the current thing, right? So if index is equal to n for some n, then okay. So here n is equal to length of nums. We have total is equal to 0, and here we have non-local total. Total, we add sum to it. Let me double check that. Okay. I feel like once in a while I record the wrong screen, so I just want to make sure that I'm recording the right one. Otherwise, it just, I don't know, sometimes very weird. But yeah, okay. So yeah. Otherwise, then now we do a take no take, right? Take no take for each number, and in this case, it's sub index. So we can either suffix XOR index plus 1, and then current XOR this. Or no take, which is just index plus 1 and then current. And that's it. This time I'm going to remember to call it because yesterday we did not. And yeah. And the cool thing about XOR is that you can start with 0 because XOR of 0 is the number itself. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, and then now we just return total and we should be happy. We'll see. Yep. Okay. And that's it. This is going to be 2 to the n. Right? We call this 2 to the n times, and each time we do all 1 works. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna. Sorry, my allergies. I can't even. Like my mouth is so itchy right now. My apologies. But yeah. So and so is my eye. So I'm like, don't take it as like me being weird. Maybe you can. I don't know. But my eyes are just so itchy. I'm trying not scratching it. But yeah. Yeah. This kind of problem you definitely should be familiar with, should know how to do. I mean, I know it's an easy problem anyway, but it also sets up your basis for dynamic programming, branch and bound, recursive problems in general and stuff like that. So definitely, yeah, you should be able to do, well, this problem for sure, and similar problems if you want to get better. But yeah, so very relevant problem. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Stay good, stay healthy to the good mental health. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.